So I have put some polyurethane inside the roof and part of the walls. It doesn't look very nice, but I have to hide it somehow, and that part I do like that. These have a little bit bigger holes, and yeah, I did it because I knew that I find these plugs, they look kind of nice. I had from the beginning that salamander, and okay, it's hard to do with one hand, but it's these plugs was some €8 for 20 pieces, so here is 40 pieces needed exactly. So it was nicely done. I managed to crack up that one, unfortunately, but I think I glued it and I can take away that white stuff and maybe it looks nice, hopefully. But that is only a very small part of all this camper. But I have to hide those holes somehow. Really much work just because they didn't put the insulation that was promised. And the factory and the importer in Sweden doesn't take proper responsibility. They don't even admit that this is a problem, that some of the insulation have been left out totally. So, well, see you. Bye bye.